Thanks for joining us. I'm Giovanna Lotta.
I'm David Ona. Now an Eyewitness News at 4 o'clock. He was once a candidate for governor of California. Now he is facing criminal charges.
Real estate magnate Stephen Cloobeck is accused of witness tampering. And for more, we're joined by Eyewitness News political reporter Josh Haskell. Josh.
Giovanna, you may remember billionaire Stephen Cloobeck was a candidate for governor, but he dropped out and then endorsed Eric Swalwell. Then he kicked Swalwell out of his house where Swalwell had been staying once sexual assault allegations came to light. Former candidate for California governor, billionaire Stephen Cloobeck, arrested on felony charges, accused of attempting to prevent witnesses from testifying.
If you're communicating with a witness, if you're communicating with a victim especially, you have to be very careful what you say. Make sure it's not a threat. Make sure it's not something that crosses the line to being illegal because you are discouraging or dissuading them from coming to court.
Eyewitness News has learned Cloobeck was or still is romantically involved with a Los Angeles model named Lavie, who also goes by Mia Ventura. She's the same person set to stand trial, accused of targeting older men on dating apps, then burglarizing their homes.
Why would someone do this? Why would someone want to stop another person in another case from testifying? Well, if there's a romantic reason, then absolutely. Then the story makes more sense. So that's why prosecutors are going to want to connect those dots.
According to Cloobeck's complaint, he attempted to prevent at least 2 alleged victims of Lavie, listed as witnesses in her criminal complaint, from testifying against her. Back in March, the Los Angeles County District Attorney ordered Lavie to stand trial on 6 felony charges. Detectives say Lavie extorted wealthy older men and younger women in Westlake Village, West Hollywood, Los Angeles, and Beverly Hills. They say she posed as a girlfriend or travel companion, then stole cash, credit cards, and high-end designer items. Former federal prosecutor Neama Rahmani says there's many ways you can threaten witnesses.
The fact that you have multiple victims here who were allegedly contacted is helpful for the prosecution.
And Cloobeck was released after posting $300,000 bail. Lavie's next court date is May 18th. David and Giovanna.